Hi guys, come on in. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to join the family. This channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, and self-development. So I'm basically bringing you guys along my journey with me, and I hope you guys are super excited for that as well. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my apartment, but not really my apartment, but mostly the Christmas decorations and where they are. So y'all will be seeing my apartment. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want more videos like that, let me know, comment down below and just tell me, like, why not? By the way, I just did my nails. Press-ons, take cute from Shein. And yeah, so this is the kitchen. As you guys could see, we have the ribbons and some decor thingy I got from Dollarama right here. If you guys seen the previous video of me decorating, if you haven't seen it, go check it out right now. It's somewhere at the top here, so go check it out. And also, let me show you guys what else I did. So I got this cute little red and black Christmas thing. Well, it's like a dryer mat for the dishes, and look, it matches the kitchen cloth. So cute. And basically that's all the Christmas stuff I have in the kitchen. So y'all really thought that video was gonna be it, but it isn't. I'm not gonna hold you because you could still see like everything I have. I got this from Loblaws, this oil thing from Loblaws, this cute little organizing seasoning stuff came from Amazon. What else? That's basically it. Dishes are washed and that's it. Let's move on to the next part of the house. So guys, welcome to the dining room area. As you can tell, we have the stockings up here. It is for Mason, myself, and Saints. So we decided to come together and do something for Christmas. So that's why we have stockings. And then my beautiful table. I got everything on this table from Dollarama and Temu. And Bath and Body Works, the candle. This, I can't remember where Mason got it, but it's a box of chocolate. And this one came from Costco. It has chocolate in it as well. And this one is fruitcake from a lady who makes them, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, everything else, basically Dollarama and Temu. Shout out to them, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to decorate this. I find it super cute, and yeah, let me know how y'all feel about it, because let me tell y'all the details. It's too cute. It's just too cute. I love the runner, and yeah, tell me if you like it down below. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the next part of the house. I'm gonna bring you guys to the living room, and yeah, the way you like it. Guys, like, listen. I need y'all to comment your favorite thing you've seen so far from the dining room and the kitchen, and yeah, let me see what you like. Guys, welcome to my living room area. It is super cute. I got these pillowcases from Temu, and then Babe got the cushions from Amazon. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a video of all the little details. I also want to show you guys what's over the TV stand. I will be showing it to y'all, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is the living room. These are the cushions. And look at the lights outside, you can see it, and the curtains and everything. I'm gonna bring you guys on that side in a while. So yeah, I'm probably gonna bring you last because that's where the tree is, and I know that's what you're on that video for, to see the reveal of the tree. So yeah, let's just get into it. Well, this is the design we came up with for the TV stand area, and also I have this cute little setup right here with candles and the reindeer. This my cousin bought it for me from Shein. It's the fake books. And then we have this, and these two, the candles were from Dollarama, and this one was from Temu. Also, this reindeer at the top here, I believe you guys could see it. It is from Temu, and this was from Dollarama. You know, we had to keep it on a budget because the gifts, listen, the decorations had to be cheap because the gifts were expensive. In my opinion. But yeah, this is the living room, and it's not much, but I feel like it's really cozy, and I love it. So let me know your favorite part of the living room area, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next part of the house. We're in the bathroom now, and let me just say, because of the way our bathroom is set up, I did very minimal. Like, I didn't do too much, I didn't do anything crazy, but I will still show it to you guys. So yeah, by the time I move, you're gonna see it, and that's it. That's all, minus this thing on top there, but that's it, that's all. So this this is all the decoration the bathroom got. That's it. And I also decided to color coordinate everything, so it makes it look Christmassy, but really and truly, if you want to talk Christmassy, it's just this and that. That's it, that's all. But I will give you guys a close-up, so stay tuned for that. And also I will show you guys what it looks like when the lights are off. So let's get it. So guys, we are finally in the room, and I was going for the green look for Christmas because, you know, Christmas green, red, like, you know, these colors, like, yeah, but I ended up going with the green. The duvet is green and gold, and I got these ones, but then you see this doesn't match this. However, okay, don't beat me, like, I still find it comes in together. This is our dresser right here. We have the TV on our little fireplace, so period. And then this is my vanity area. It has stuff on it. Obviously, I know it looks like a lot, but really and truly, when I take away this and this stuff right here, it brings more space. I have my shelves going on here. These were my Secret Santa gifts up here. I'm currently lighting one of them, Vanilla Bean Noel. It's a candle from Bath and Body, and yeah, this is the room. So now I'm gonna take you guys over to what you have been waiting for, and of course, last but not least, what you guys clicked on this video for, or some of y'all probably even speed through that, not sure why, but it's okay. It's okay. It's your time, it's your YouTube, you know, it's cool. But yeah, this is a tree. Y'all, I spent so much time on this tree and it just looks so cute. Like, what? Thank you guys so much. Thanks for the applause. I know I did a damn good job with the tree. This year I decided to do red and gold. The red basically just pops out on the tree, and the gold just, I don't know, I love gold. I'm a gold baby. Yes, I have silver in my neck right now, but I'm really a gold baby, and I just love it. I just love the tree. I actually got this idea off of Pinterest, and yeah, I think I did a good job. Do you guys think I did a good job? Let me know once again in the comment section. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing. Thank each and every one of you for engaging on my channel and also supporting me throughout the year. Y'all know I've been off and on, but I'm really trying to do my best since the year is ending, and also I'll be trying my best next year. So yeah, I hope you guys come along with me, and I'm just super excited for next year. I have so many things to do and so many things coming up, and I want you guys to stick around. So if you're not subscribed, why aren't you subscribed? Subscribe and turn on your notification bell, okay? So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays to each and every one of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas, and hope you guys enjoy your New Year's, God spare, and see you guys. Bye.